Hey guys! Welcome back to part 2 of our Sagada adventure. If you haven't seen part 1 yet, make sure to check it out. Now the real adventure begins. The day before, we booked a local tour guide to take us to some iconic spots around Sagada. Let's go! Before the hike, we met our tour guide, Ate Edna.
Kasama ngayon. And ang puntahan natin ay sa Mangguro, more or less 1 hour siya. Yung lakad natin, depende po sa pace natin. And plus transport.
After a few reminders, we geared up and started the trail. It was freezing cold that you can see our breath. Ate Edna pointed out different plants, endangered species, and shared fun facts about them.
Considered endangered species.
Matanda na yung ano na.
Mas ano ito, mas matibay ito kaysa yung pine tree. Kasi pwede mong gawing lumber yan.
Ay, ito na pala. Madulas madulas.
You can taste. Makita nyo, kainin ko. Kasi yung iba, pag hindi ko kinain.
Tikman mo nga. On our way back, Ate Edna let us try some wild berries she spotted along the trail. Bakla nga.
If you want to eat.
Titikman ko to. After the hike, we went straight to our next destination, the famous hanging coffins of Sagada.
Yung ano natin
Yung
Tatlong nuns, doon sila.
Ito may paano na ta?
Yes.
Kadena.
They are the first who was buried in here. Namatay sila just because of poison.
Ay, talaga?
Huh?
Dito sila namatay.
Food poisoning?
Sabi. Bawal sumigaw. Kasi pag may dadalhin pa tayo doon sila sisigaw, may dadalhin ba tayo? Kung sino ang sisigaw, baka siya ang susunod.
Compared to the hike earlier, this one is more on climbing stairs. Lalim ng hakbang. Oh, yep.
Totoo yan.
Oh. Story time.
Uli na yan. Uli na.
Huli na po siya. Kasi
Ba't hindi na pinayagan yun?
just because of sanitation. Those are all bones. Bakit may liit, may maliit, bakit may maiksi, bakit may chair, bakit may frozen, bakit may frozen. Ay syempre, yung nakasulat doon, ay iyan po yung kung manganak ang isang babae, tapos natutulog pusod. Doon, that's the time that they will give a name, an Igorot name. So marami kaming pangalan. So 4-in-1, diba? Edna, Agna, Pinambinwag, Mrs. Pinanda. Yes.
Yun ang kultura, yung naging...
Yes, pero ano, just start sa yung Edna. Kasi yun yung nasa live.
Oo, kaya.
Yes.
Ayun po ang nakalagay lawagan.
Yan po nga yung ibibigay na pangalan namin na Igorot names.
Hindi yan nakaregister.
Yes. That comes from our ancestors. Ang upuan, kung namatay ang isang tao, kung namatay siya doon sa hospital, di ba? He was declared by a doctor.
Napatay na siya.
Yes, na i-declare siyang patay just because of the death certificate. Now, iuwi natin sa bahay. Hindi natin masasabing patay na siya. Kasi kukumutan natin from head to foot para close relative to have a meeting kung kailan ang burial. So, matatawag natin siyang may sakit pa rin. Until such time, for example, next day, what is the day today? Sunday? Tuesday is the burial day. So tomorrow, afternoon, after lunch, doon ipapaupo. That's why there is a chair. Doon ipapaupo on that vigil day. And that's the time that an organ will declare na patay na siya. Then, early in the morning, the following day, Tuesday, dadalhin po yung kabaong, empty kabaong. Kasi di ba sa bahay pinaupo, kaya no need of the coffin. Yes. Dadalhin dito in the morning of the burial day, for example, Tuesday, di ba? Morning doon, dadalhin ito, tapos iaayos, gagawa sila ng scaffoldings, tapos ibubutasan yung bato para i-fix.
Para mag-lumapat.
Yes. Ilagay nila yung kabaong doon on top para sa afternoon, after lunch also, doon, ipapababa, babalutin siya sa kumot niya. Because we have traditional clothing for the dead ones. And ang kasabihan natin, before ay kung naturuan ka ng any kind of fluids from the body, ay bibigyan ka daw ng sangre. Yes. Hindi ka na maliligo doon. Di ba? Nalagyan na dito.
We took some pictures on our way back, and listening to Ate Edna's stories, it was such a unique experience, eerie in a way, but also so meaningful and full of culture.
Ganda na eh. Ganda, yun o, doon pa.
Kumain na nga kami sa balik na ba? Yan na vlog mo yun.
Ayan, video kita ngayon.
Last stop, the inverted house. Overlooking mountains, trees, with fresh air and good food. The perfect way to end our Sagada trip.